Hello guys, today we are going to talk about best outdoor grill for 2022. During the summer, outdoor dining, parties, and barbecues are a must. It's time to have fun with family and friends while cooking outside and cooking together. If you have a garden or backyard, chances are you have considered buying an outdoor grill. An ice maker and a small portable fridge will make your grilling experience perfect. This video shows you the best outdoor grills to buy in 2022 according to your needs, budget, and skill level. Watch the video until the end or use the table of contents to switch between items. For more information, be sure to check links mentioned in the description below. Okay, let's get into the video. Our first pick is Weber Genesis E335. It is liked for its clever technology and the precision it is able to deliver when baking. Most of the best gas grills work very hard, which can make it difficult to judge when food is done. Just push and turn to ignite the propane burners, and your grill will be ready in less than 15 minutes. The Weber is really impressive by its angled stainless steel flavorizer bars. They leave scorched lines on steaks and eggplants with perfect results. It can be paired with a smartphone, and you can use the probe to know exactly when your food is done. With 3 burners and a total of 513 square inches of cooking space, it's well worth the effort. We especially like the side burners, which are very powerful and sturdy. Some side burners allow the wind to blow the flame away while you try to cook, but it keeps your pots and pans very safe. Its propriety and high-performance pure blue burners are designed to produce the most efficient, even flame for consistent, precise heat and reliable ignition. You can spend less time cleaning with the new and improved grease management system. Simply pull the grease tray out and scrape it away. Weber Spirit N2E310 is at number 2. This Spirit gives you quality and performance. The Weber brand is known for being more affordable. Although it's smaller than the Genesis, there's still room on the porcelain glazed cast iron griddle for 20 burgers, more than enough for a family gathering. And just like on the pricier Weber, you get fine heat control for foods with the brand's mouth-watering, fully cooked yet moist and tender. On the Spirit, there are many handy features such as a side table, a warming rack, a tool hook, a thermometer in the hood, a gas meter, and a shelf under the grill. The grease trap is very accessible and hollow. However, there is no side burner to heat the sides. This model is only available in black, but a connected version with natural gas is offered. It has 424 square inches primary cooking area and 105 square inches warming rack area. It comes with 3 stainless steel burners and stainless steel heat deflectors. Upgrade your grill by pairing it to the iGrill and open up a new world of grilling opportunities, including real-time food temperature notifications and the Weber iGrill app that keeps you connected and up to date in the world of barbecue. At number 3, Fuego Professional Propane Gas Grill. It features a cast iron cooking surface, ideal for quick cooking and steaming. However, if you're looking to lightly toast your cakes, there's also a metal burning shelf. The lid has a locking system so no heat escapes when the grill heats up, allowing baking to reach 500 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes. It's a small square feet, so it's great for apartments, condos, or small patios, but that doesn't mean it can't hold more than a few burgers. In fact, it can cook up to 20 patties 1/4 pounds at a time. Its wheels and dimensions make it easy to move around, and we love how the propane tank is hidden behind a stylish patterned grill. At under $600, it's reasonably priced for a grill with an almost endless list of features. At number 4, Dyna Glow 4-Burner Propane Gas Grill. If you're seeking out a strong fuel online grill on a budget, then this Dyna Glow propane choice is your first-class bet. It consists of 4 burners. Further to an aspect burner, it really is ideal. We additionally love the solid iron grill plates that provide your meats and greens an appropriate sear, entire with the one's stunning grill marks. There's additionally a smaller pinnacle shelf made from metallic. It really is ideal for toasting buns or letting meals warm. It is crafted from stainless steel and capabilities 412,000 BTU stainless steel fuel online burners. These take a seat down beneath the primary cooking vicinity, which totals 461 rectangular inches throughout the porcelain enameled solid iron cooking grates. Above that may be an additional 136 rectangular inches of warming area on a porcelain enameled rack. The lid is welded, double-walled, and polished to preserve warmth and provide lastability. There is a stainless steel thermometer unit constructed into the lid for temperature tracking while closed. At number 5, Traeger Grills Pro Series. This is a basic black mantelpiece with a witch's bonnet on it. And yes, it looks vintage. But it has a perfect barrel profile. Its truss-style chassis gives it a sturdy look. With this wheel and the all-terrain wheel, we're confident it will be easy to drive around your yard. Its entire part is made of steel, which means it retains heat and is durable. Speaking of durability, Traeger nets are powder-coated, not painted, so they look good for a long time. The lid is covered with porcelain-coated wire mesh. They are not only good for even heat distribution, but also easy to clean. Its rugged body style features a rack frame for added stability and side rails. You can create memorable meals with this pellet grill. With its dependable consistency, simple controls, 6-in-1 versatility, and true wood-burning taste, the Pro 22 helps you prepare delicious dishes. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us, and click the bell icon to get notification and to watch furthermore videos. Did we leave off any outdoor grill? Let us know in the comments. See you guys in the next video.